Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, whenever you're watching this video. Today in class, we're going to work on an iTime, and obviously this one's going to be a little bit different than the ones we've been doing in class because we're not in class. So what I'd like to do, I'm going to first walk you through how everything's going to work. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go into our class. Okay, so once I'm here on our science page, you'll notice that we always start on the updates page. And I changed that for some of the classes. Some you've already started there anyway. I changed that because I want the first thing you are able to find is your daily attendance form. Because whether or not you do any work, it's really important that you check your attendance for every day so you get your attendance credit. Okay, so when you log on, click on that, get your attendance done. And if it helps, when you wake up in the morning, just do that right away. Take 5 minutes, go into all your classes, check in, and then go back to bed for a little while, or go eat breakfast, and then come back and do your classwork a little bit later, if that helps. Just remember to check in. Okay, so next I'm going to go to Materials. And then you'll notice all the old material we were working on. If you look, you won't see this. It's still unpublished, but I'll open this up tomorrow. That's what we're going to start working on. Starting tomorrow, we're going to do a unit about COVID-19. But you will want to go here to iTime folder. So when you click on iTime folder, this iTime introduction video, that's what you're watching right now. And then you'll notice it says must view the item. Okay, so when you come into the folder, the only thing you're going to be able to access is this iTime introduction video. You have to watch it. You have to at least click to view the item, and then you'll get a check mark here, and that opens the next thing. Which brings us to our first part of the iTime. What does gratitude mean to you? Okay, I want you to go ahead and pause the video here and take a minute to think about what does gratitude mean to you. Okay, so now that you've taken a minute to think about what gratitude means to you, the next step is to click on our next option here. What does gratitude mean to you? So I would like you to write in your definition in your words, or give an example of what gratitude is. And for my comment, I'm going to go to Google. I'm going to give you guys the textbook definition. So the textbook definition, or the Google dictionary definition, is gratitude is the quality of being thankful, readiness to show appreciation for and to return kindness. So I'm going to put that in there and give their example. There we go. And then we have a post, and your post will show up there as well. And it's okay if you have the same idea as somebody else. Just go ahead and get your thoughts put in there. So now, if I go back to the iTime folder, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to watch a video. It's called An Experiment in Gratitude, the Science of Happiness. So if you click on this video, this link, it'll bring you to YouTube, and you're going to watch a short 7-minute video about how being grateful, showing gratitude to somebody else actually improves your happiness. Okay, and if for whatever reason the video link doesn't work, try that. You can also click here on An Experiment of Gratitude. This is a video summary. It's a text version. That one I'll show to you. So if you click on there, it just gives you a brief rundown of what the video is all about. Okay, so we're going to pause here and go watch the videos, and once you're done, come back and we'll talk about the last task I have for you today. Alright, hopefully you've had time to finish that video. You may notice a little change. I got rid of the must view this item. Obviously, if you're watching the video, you don't have to go back and also view the video summary. So I took the must view off there. So once you're done this video, it should open up our last task. Who did you write a thank you letter to? Okay, so watching the video, I found it really interesting that, and almost counterintuitive, that me saying thank you to somebody else would make me happier. Because you'd think the person receiving the thank you would be happy, obviously because you know they're being thanked. But it's really interesting to know that just saying thank you to other people and smiling to other people and doing some little things that you may not think anything about can actually make you happier. So for our last step for today, I would like you to write a thank you letter. Okay, so write a thank you to someone who has had a big effect on your life. All right, you don't have to share it with me. You don't have to copy me on the email or the phone call or the letter. All I want you to do is on here, on this discussion board, who did you write your thank you letter to? Write down who you wrote your thank you letter to. So I wrote my thank you letter to Mr. Westlake. I will share my letter to him with you guys. So, dear Mr. Westlake, you were my first mentor teacher, and I want to thank you for the great example you set for me, and for making my first time in a classroom and as an aspiring teacher a positive and rewarding experience. You helped start me on the path to where I am today. Thank you. Sincerely, Nathan Higgs. So, it can be brief, it can be long and elaborate, but just for your happiness, I would like you to write a thank you letter to somebody. Somebody in your house, it could be a classmate, anyone, and send it as an email, make a quick phone call, do a video chat. Okay, but just try to get that done today, and then write in here who you wrote your thank you to. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Tomorrow I'll do another video like this one, and I'll introduce you to our next unit about COVID-19. Have a great rest of your day.